Dear friends, we have next question. Which of the following shapes have rotational symmetry about the mark point? Now, let us take this first figure. Here, mark point is here. Now, if you rotate through 180 degrees, you will get the same shape. So, angle of rotation is 180 degrees. If you rotate through 180 degrees, again if you rotate through 180 degrees, you will get the same figure, the same position. So you will notice here order of rotational symmetry is rotational symmetry is 2, and it does have a rotational symmetry. Please note, it does have a rotational symmetry, since rotational order of rotational symmetry is 2, which we were asked which of the following shapes have rotational symmetry. So this figure does have rotational symmetry. Now see the second figure. Here, if the angle is 80 degrees and this angle is 100 degrees, then you will notice that again after rotating through 180 degrees, you will get the same position. Please note, if it is 90 degrees, if this is 90 degrees, then you have to rotate only by 90 degrees. But if it is less than 90 degrees, then you will have to rotate by 180 degrees. In this case, you will get angle of rotation equals to 180 degrees, and again order of rotational symmetry is equal to 2. Now see the next position. This line is a straight line and you can see the figure is something like B. Now please note, if you rotate through 360 degrees, if you rotate through 180 degrees, then we will get like this. It means it is not taking the same position. Straight line will be this side and B will be this side. So it does mean that it does not have a rotational symmetry of 180 degrees, but it does have a rotational symmetry of 360 degrees. That is, if you make a complete circle, then the figure will look same. So please note, even if figure is not having lines of symmetry, still it does have rotational symmetry. So it does have rotational symmetry of order 1, and angle of rotation is 360 degrees. Angle of rotation is 360 degrees. So please note, every object, from this you will understand that every object does have a rotational symmetry. Now if there is a figure something like this, if it is rotated through, please note, there are 5 petals to this star. So if you take the angles, then you will notice that each angle is 72 degrees. If you rotate this by 72 degrees, this petal will come here, 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 and one rotation. So here you will notice there are actually 5 positions. So order of rotational symmetry is is equal to 5, and angle of rotation is 72 degrees. 72 plus 72 plus 72 plus 72 plus 72 will make 360 degrees. Thus from this we understand that every object has a rotational symmetry of order 1 as it occupies the same position after rotation of 360 degrees. Rotational symmetry will always be of order 1 or more than 1. Dear friends, consider these three figures 1, 2 and 3. Now see here, center of rotation. Center of rotation is actually the center of the lemon and it is the axis. There are 10 sections. If you measure this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 sections. So each time if you rotate it about the axis by 36 degrees, you will notice 36 degrees, 36 degrees, 36 degrees, 36 degrees. If it is rotated every time by 36 degrees, then it will look like as it was before. So here you will notice that angle of rotation is equal to 36 degrees. Now this can be found in other way also. Total angle is 360 degrees and there are 10 petals. So if you divide this by 10, you will get 36 degrees. So angle of rotation is equal to 360 upon order of rotations. So here order of rotational symmetry is equal to 10. Order of rotational symmetry is 10 in this figure. Now if you divide total angle by order of rotational symmetry, we get angle of rotation. Now if you see the second figure is a wheel in which you will see two bars are there and they are exactly perpendicular to each other, means here angle of rotation is 90 degrees. So if you rotate it by 90 degrees, you will get, it will look like as it was before. So here angle of rotation is equal to 90 degrees and center of rotation is the center of the figure itself. Center of rotation is the center of figure itself, and if we are rotating in clockwise direction or whether we are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. If you are rotating in clockwise direction, you can rotate it 4 times, and if you are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then also you will see that you can rotate it 4 times. So rotation can be either clockwise or it can be anti-clockwise. Here you will notice that angle of rotation is 90 degrees and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 4. So total 4 possible ways are there. Now if you see the next figure is of a wheel. In wheel also you will notice that there are actually 10 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means angle of rotation is equal to total angle, that is 360 divided by order of rotational symmetry. If you rotate it by 36 degrees, that is if you rotate one part, if this one bar comes to this position, it will look as it was before. So here order of rotational symmetry is equal to 10. Total angle is 360 degrees. So angle of rotation is equal to 360 upon 10, that is equal to 36 degrees. Next question is, give the order of the rotational symmetry of the given figure about the point mark cross. Now see the first figure. In this you will see the cross is marked at the center of the figure. Here, if you rotate the figure by 90 degrees, if you rotate it by 90 degrees, you will notice that you get the same position. You are able to see the figure as the same figure. So here, angle of rotation is equal to 90 degrees. Please note, if you rotate in clockwise direction, then also we will get the same figure. Or if you are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then also you will get the symmetrical figure, that is having a rotational symmetry. So it can be either clockwise or can be anti-clockwise. Now if you see the order of the rotational symmetry, there are 4 possible positions. So order of rotational symmetry is is equal to 4. Now see, second figure. My drawing may not be good, so we have to assume that these are all equal bars and angle is 120 degrees. These all flags look same. That is what you have to imagine. Now if you see, if this flag reaches this place, the figure will look same. So here angle of rotation is 120 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is equal to 3. Please note, you can rotate it in either clockwise direction or you can rotate it in anti-clockwise direction. Even if you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, you will notice that we get a rotational symmetry. Here also we have to check rotational symmetry about the cross mark, which is again the center of the figure. So here also you will see that we are rotating about center of the figure. Here next figure is of a rectangle. We will imagine it as a rectangle. You will see cross is made at the center of the figure. Now if you rotate this by 90 degrees, we will get a vertical rectangle, means we are not going to get the same figure. If you rotate it by 180 degrees, when this point reaches this point and when this point reaches this point, you will notice rectangle looks the same. So here in this case, angle of rotation is 180 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is is equal to 2. Please note, again, whether you rotate it in clockwise direction or whether you rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, or you rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, you will get the rotational symmetry.